Hello everybody, welcome back. Last week I was lucky enough to win a mystery box from EcomKings, and as you can see it's arrived today, so I am so excited to open this with you. EcomKings are a Hampshire based company and they do mystery boxes. I think the lowest one they do is about £5 and they go all the way up to like £200 or £300 for like a pallet of stock. So they do various different sizes of boxes. This is a £20 box that I won, and it could literally be anything at all. They get liquidated and returned stock from Amazon, and then they package it up into these mystery boxes and send them out to people that buy them, or in my case won them. So let's get into it and have a look inside. I don't know if you can hear that. It does sound like there's some liquid inside. So I'm wondering what that's going to be. Anyway, let me cover my address up and we will get into this. So I didn't have scissors to hand, which, considering I'm a crafter, is quite bad really, isn't it? So we're just going to use this little nail doofer. I don't even know what it does, but anyway, we're using it. We're going to go with it. It's working quite well. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, so we have, I'm guessing this is what I could hear, Brasso, metal polish liquid for longer lasting shine and excellent results. Okay, probably be able to use that, or my husband definitely will. I've got some hand cream, always handy. Oh, alcohol cleansing hand gel, in fact. Amazing. Well, that's going to be super handy. I can definitely use that. I've got Dettol soap. Oh my goodness, my dad used to have Dettol baths. That's hilarious. So okay, I've got 2 bars of Dettol soap. I've got, well, my dogs are going to be very happy, aren't they? I've got some dog treats. No rawhide, so my dogs can definitely have those. Well, my dogs are going to be over the moon. My little girl's going to go nuts. Look at this. I've got Peppa Pig toothbrushes. Oh my goodness. I'm going to have the happiest little girl ever. So it's like this box was just for me. Oh my goodness. What is this? What is this? Good grips. Oh my goodness. Oh, well, I can certainly use this. This goes on the wall of your shower and you put your razor in it. How good is that? I can definitely use that. Amazing. And then, I don't know, maybe ice cube tray, I think. It's, yeah, I'm going to say that's an ice cube tray, but that's really, it's really deep, if you can see. But, you know, as a crafter, I will probably use that for storage of embellishments, if I'm honest. Unless we get a real heat wave, and then I will use it for what it is. But I'm pretty sure that's an ice cube tray. So all of that was in this diddy little box. How good was that? I'm over the moon with that. I am really chuffed. There's nothing there that I'm like, I can't use it. Or I don't like. I am really chuffed, and the fact I won it, I am so pleased. If you haven't seen EcomKings, if you've got TikTok, go and have a look at them. They're absolutely brilliant. They are really transparent. They are really honest about what they do, what you get. They are really nice people, really good guys. I've been on a couple of their lives recently. They're absolutely brilliant. I am a massive fan. And yeah, definitely, I'm really tempted to go and buy the £10 mystery box, because Scott, who is like the front man and kind of the boss, did say that he often puts craft supplies in the £10 box. Although obviously he can't guarantee it, depends what they've got at the time. But there was definitely a video where he said the £10 boxes, it's small stuff and crafty stuff and that kind of thing, although not guaranteed. So you might see another mystery box in the future. So anyway, thank you so much for watching today. I really appreciate everyone that comes and watches my videos. I do promise there will be some more crafting videos coming very soon. I've just kind of gone down a bit of a mystery box rabbit hole, and I thought I'd share because it's really good fun. So thank you for watching my non-crafty videos. If you are a non-crafter and you've come to watch these videos, thank you very much for coming over. I really appreciate it, and I will be back soon with more videos. So until next time, take really good care, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.